Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a 15-part video series showing you how to create KARL house. Let's get started. So to start, let's open a new architecture template. And let's go to south elevation and let's put this one around 3200. And then let's add in another level. So go to architecture and then click level and another 3200 for level 3. After that, press escape and click level 1 again. Here, we're going to go back to architecture and click on grid line or grid or type in GR. We're going to add a horizontal first. So I'm going to add one like so. And then we're going to add another one. So this one, we're going to press escape and click this one. And we're going to put this one at around 3,500. And then go back to architecture, click another grid line, and we're just gonna put this one around 3,500 again. So now we have 7,000 millimeters. And then here, we're gonna add in our vertical grid line now. So we're gonna put this one like so. And here, we're just gonna fix this one like that. We're gonna click the bubble. So we're gonna change this to a letter. And we're gonna move it around in the middle. And then you can type in GR again. We're gonna add a grid line like here. Let's put this one around 3,500. And then we could click this again. And now we could type in CO or click on copy. And then make sure multiple is checked. We could add this one around 3,200. And then lastly, 5,000. So that's our grid line. We can click this now and move this one like so. We can select everything and then move it in the middle. Press escape and let's click on dimension. I'm gonna add dimension like so. And then here as well. I'm going to change this instead of 5,000 to 5,300. So I'm gonna click this and make this one 12,000. So now this will be 5,300. So we have 7 by 12 meters. or 7,000 millimeters and 12,000 millimeters. So let's start adding walls. So I'm gonna click on wall, and I'm gonna use this basic generic wall, and then I'm gonna click edit type and duplicate. This will be my exterior wall number 1. Press OK, and then edit type. I'm gonna make this around 200. That's enough. And then I'm going to change this material, and I'm going to pick gypsum wallboard. So for now, that's my material, and we can always go back and change materials afterwards. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this, and then this will be level 2. So as you can see, you can tap constraint here. You can change it from here as well. After that, I'm gonna leave it at center line, and then I'm going to start here at A1. After A1, I'm going up to D1, going down to D2, going back to B2, and then going here at B3, and then A3, and then close it off. I'm going to add in the midpoint of here. So midpoint will be, and then going to C2 again, like that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in TR, or under modify, you can click this trim and extend corner. I'm gonna trim this and then trim this as well. After that, we have this figure or shape. Press escape, and then now I'm going to click architecture, click this wall, and I'm going to duplicate this again, but now this will be interior wall. Press OK, and I want to make sure this is number 1. Edit type, let's change this. So for now, maybe we're just gonna use gypsum wallboard for now, and then we can change it later on. So now we have this. Let's add in some of the walls here. So I'm gonna add a wall right here for now, and then through the dimension, I'm gonna click this, and I'm going to put this around 2800. So that's done. And then now here, I'm going to add a room like so. I'm gonna put this dimension. This will be around 2600, or we could just leave it like this. So this is 2600 or 2500, and the depth of this should be around 1500. Okay, so we have this. Let's make sure this is actually 1300. Want to make sure we're going to insert something there. We could change it later on. And then here we're going to play around with this, as I want the kitchen to be right here. The stairs will be around here, living room, and then the dining will be around here, and this could be an office or a bedroom. I want to insert some furniture now, so go to insert, load family, and then here let's start adding furniture, and then let's start by adding the tables and chairs. So I'm going to use this, and then after loading we will need to go to architecture and click component. Let's add it here, because this will be kitchen, this will be stairs, and then we could add some chairs here for the living room. After that, go to insert again, load family, and let's go back to furniture and add seating. Let's add this and the both chair corbo, and then the other one will be sofa. So you should hold control button and select, and then click open. Now we need to click component, and then we have the chair right here. And then we could just move this somewhere here. We also have space here, so but this one will be better here, so that we could add a bigger table. So we could just add it like that, and then we should click more here as we loaded some other chairs. Click spacebar so that to change orientation. And then now once we add those, we could just add or mirror it in the middle. So let's use this, and then click this again, and then click mirror. And then why not select both of this and move it 4 times. Okay, that looks good enough. And then let's load, or let's add in the sofa first. And we could add it like that. Let's add more. So go back to insert, load family, and then go back to furniture, and then table, coffee table, Click open on that, and then go to architecture and click this again. Let's change this. So once you click and add, if there's our selection, you can change it from that selection. This is too big, so we could just go with this. After that, let's add in the TV. So there is a TV under furniture. It's a flat screen. Once you load it, go back to architecture and you can add it like that. You can change the size. Let's go with the largest. So everything is looking good. Let's try and add door first. So I'm gonna add the door right here. Let's choose in the smallest one. So I'm gonna add a door like so and a door like this. We can extend this a bit. So let's add this one around, yeah, 2800 is good. And then 1500. So this one should be under insert, load family, go back, and then this will be plumbing, architecture, equipment, go back, fixtures, and then we could add in some of this. Let's not go with tub, let's go with a shower. Let's load this. So I'm gonna add a shower like that. And then let's add in the toilet and sink. Go back to fixtures, water closet. This one will be good. Go back to architecture and click component. And then let's add in a sink. I'm gonna use this. Let's load it later on. And I'm gonna add it like that. I want to load a different door. So let's go and come back to the selection and then click on doors. Let's look for residential doors. So I'm gonna use this single one panel wood. That's okay. I'm gonna select everything. So I'm gonna click one. Sorry, I'm gonna click one and then hold on shift and then press OK. After that, let's look at it at the door. So we have this. Now we could just change this out. So I'm gonna delete the doors that we recently add. And then let's go with this kind of door. Around 600 by 2000 would be enough. And then here we should make this one around 1300. I think 1300 is enough. And this one 600, or let's make it 500. And then let's do it on others as well. 500. So now we have a room here. We have the washroom here. Let's add in the kitchen. We have the living room set up here. And then let's add in the main door first. So go to insert, load family, and let's look for a double glass. So maybe this glass will be good. Let's add in everything. So hold on shift. And then go to door. And as you can see, we have the double door. I think 1500 by 2000 is good enough as a double door. And this one looks nice. Let's continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.